I am happy to join with you today.
He had a dream that shook the very foundation of America. We honor a man who stood up against justice and changed the course of history. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Martin Luther King Jr. was born on January 15, 1929 in Atlanta, Georgia. Raised in a deeply religious family, his father was a Baptist minister, and young Martin was taught the value of faith, equality, and justice from an early age. He attended Morehouse College at just 15 years old, later earning a doctorate in technology from Boston University. But it was not just education that shaped his future, it was the racial inequality he witnessed every day in the segregated South. In 1955, Rosa Parks refused to give up her seat on a Montgomery bus. The event sparked the Montgomery bus boycott, and a young King emerged as its leader. For over a year, Black Americans in Montgomery walked instead of riding the buses, peacefully protesting segregation, and in the end they won. The movement launched Dr. King into the national spotlight as a powerful voice for civil rights. Dr. King believed in non-violence inspired by Mahatma Gandhi. He preached peace even when facing hate, arrest, threats, and violence. His leadership helped pass key laws like the Civil Rights Act of 1964 and the Voting Rights Act of 1965. On August 28, 1963, more than 25,000 people gathered at the Lincoln Memorial for the March on Washington. There, Dr. King delivered his most iconic speech. I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. His words touch the soul of a divided nation and continue to echo across generations. But greatness often comes with sacrifice. On April 4, 1968, while in Memphis, Tennessee, supporting sanitation workers, Dr. King was tragically assassinated. He was only 39 years old. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1964. His birthday is now a national holiday in the United States. Martin Luther King Jr. Day celebrated every January. His legacy is not just in history books, but in the fight for justice, equality, and freedom that continues today. The arc of the moral universe is long, but it tends toward justice. Because of his dream, millions dare to dream today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more spreading stories that change the world.